Hi everyone, we're grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here doing a walk around with you on a 2020 GMC Yukon XL. The point of our walk arounds is to be as transparent as possible and to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and like to see those photos, just scroll down to located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Yukon, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view a free CARFAX report, the original Windows sticker, grab some financing options, or get a shipping quote to ship the Yukon anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, we'll let you hear the engine running on the GMC. So let's go ahead and start the walk around. Okay, as we walk around the Yukon, we see brand new tires. We see a couple of chips here that are very minor. If it wasn't black, you might not see them. You won't see them in the picture, so we want to go ahead and point them out. Once you back out, you don't see them at all. Yukon is in beautiful condition. Clear coat. It's gorgeous. There's no dents or dings or heavy scratches. There'd be a tiny scuff right here that wouldn't come out that's been touched up. But as you can see, the rest of that side is perfect. With the year and miles, this is in above average condition. So if you're looking for a full-size SUV, this is definitely one to consider. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, what doesn't show up in our photos would be the side of the visors and the headliner, which as you can see is in beautiful, like new condition, and the top of the dash. If you have any questions about the condition, interior or exterior, give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is at the top of your screen.